Hello everyone, thanks for coming, and today I am going to present the view synthesis from single pictures, specifically a comparison between different applications and also different AI agents specialized in image analysis. So what we wanted to do is simple. From a single picture, just one, we want to convert this image into a 3D environment to make different analysis, and also to could establish an interaction between the humans and the environment itself. You can use different technologies to make the 3D reconstruction, like for example Nerf Studio, AVRNet, and Gaussian splatting. But these tools require a lot of pictures. So the problem here is that we just have one picture to could make these 3D environments. The question is that it's possible? Well, we have also more applications. For example, we have GenWarp from Sony Group Corporation that it allows us to generate different angles from a single pictures, and in this way we can try to apply Nerf applications and also Gaussian splatting to make the 3D reconstruction. At the same time, we have AI agents specialized in image analysis, like for example OpenAI, Banana Pro, David AI, and Superwork, and finally another application called Pano2Room that it was accepted for a conference in Asia in 2024. So here are the results. In this case, using David AI, for example, as you can see here, we have the input, the 2D picture, and the result look like this. In conclusion, we have very well detailed here in some aspects, like for example the bed and in some furnitures, but we have a lot of effects that in the end is not necessary. And actually we cannot apply Gaussian splatting or Nerf application in this output video. Another result is using Superwork AI. So for example, the result is the following. As you can see here, we have the perception that we are inside of the environment, in this case the room, but it's not enough. I mean, the effect of the camera is just a horizontal line, so it's not enough to make a 3D reconstruction in this case. And using Artlist, specifically Banana Pro, we have a panoramic picture, but it's interesting here because we have a lot of details here. We have, for example, the generated part of the room indoor, and we have a better overview of the whole room. So what we can do with this? First, we use also GenWarp to generate different angles of the same picture, in this case of the same room. Let's see how is the result. In comparison with the agents, we have here a better use of the angles of the camera, but we have a lot of noises, a lot of deformation of the items, and the quality is not the best one. This is the most interesting result. The result using Pano2Room, that it's an application specialized to render panoramic images. We have to keep in mind that the picture that we use is not a panoramic picture, but with Banana Pro we convert this picture into a panoramic one, and the result is this one. We have a perfect navigation inside of the room with a good quality or mid quality, and also we have the depth estimation. But the best part here is that also the application offers us the Gaussian splatting version. It means that we can navigate into the room perfectly. And we have the opportunity also to make drone simulations and camera coordinate simulation to at the same time to have a better 3D reconstructions. And if we can do that, it means that the Gaussian splatting is perfectly recursively to try to improve the 3D reconstruction itself. Thank you so much, that's it.